There is no advanced restart button in this particular ROM, hence using the power button and volume up button to boot into recovery. Here we go. This is the latest Orange Fox recovery for Redmi Note 7 Pro. I mean the Violet. Go to delete section here. I mean the advanced swipe. Go to Dalvik check system vendor and data. Select these things and swipe here to wipe it. Once that has been done, press this home section and select here install and select wherever you downloaded the ROM zip files and everything. First flash the firmware 12.5.1.0 Violet in global. That's the latest firmware available for Redmi Note 7 Pro. Once that has been, again go to install and select the ROM zip file. As you can see, pixelosviolet Violet 12.1 2022 49 1819 zip. I will get closer and show you. As you can see, this is the pixelosviolet with April security patch and April 9th latest build. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Again go to home section and flash this fcrypt disabler v3 zip file. That is also going to be flashed. Okay, done. Go to home section and select here reboot and select system. This is how the flashing method of pixelosviolet 12.1 on a Redmi Note 7 Pro. I mean the Violet. In this video we are going to discuss everything in detail regarding that particular ROM, the BGMI gameplay even in Sanoc and TDM, and what are the graphic settings available in this ROM, and how is the benchmark results, and how is the overall performance of the ROM, battery life. Everything will be explained in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video and let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You are watching Sampath FX YouTube channel. This is a Redmi Note 7 Pro. After a long time I am making review for custom ROM reviews in this particular channel. I mean, it took time because the versions of ROMs were already repeated, hence I am making this. This is really interesting ROM, Android version 12 and April 5 security patch, I mean the latest one, and the kernel used here is 4.14.212 Azure discombobulated plus kernel has been used here, and build date you can see here April 9th. This is the latest build available for Redmi Note 7 Pro. Forgot to on the light. Okay, I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes. You can see here the maximum is 150 and average is 143 and minimum is 124, and there is throttle to, I mean CPU is throttle to 91% of its maximum performance. There is little bit of throttle going on, but overall performance, let me show you the benchmark results. First the Antutu benchmark. Here you see there is like 2,49,282 and temperature rise is 1.2 degrees Celsius. That's fine. 3% of battery drop has been noticed during this Antutu benchmark testing in this Redmi Note 7 Pro after this pixelosviolet 12.1 or 12L, whatever they call. This is the latest build available, and you can see the results. It's fine enough. 2,72, 2,82 also we seen in Redmi Note 7 Pro, powering Snapdragon 675, and into the Geekbench scores. Here the single score is a little bit better. As you can see, the single score is exactly 500 and multi score is 1449, and kernel user is Linux 4.14.212 Azure discombobulated R64 kernel has been used here. Dialer you get direct video call feature, and call recording feature is not available, and earpiece quality is fine enough, no problem regarding that. And coming to speed test in this particular ROM, I have here 100 Mbps Geo Gigafiber connection. It's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps, which is not a problem. As you can see, it's going up to 100 Mbps today, 97, which is very good, and even with mobile data connection also it's working fine, no problem regarding that. And DRM-N5 you will get level 1 certification. As you can see, you can watch all the OTT applications in HD resolution. That's not the problem in this particular ROM. And Google Go camera as pre-installed camera you get in this particular ROM. If you want, you can use any Gcam ports like I am using this one. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports. I'll show the Gcam port here. This is working fine. as you can see, this is the one I am using, old one, but it's working fine. I am getting very good output from this particular Gcam. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports. If you want, even you can flash the ANX camera also. That's also a good option for you. And safety net status I haven't installed. Let me install that. Within a second it will get downloaded. The app opening time little bit taking time. I don't know why it is taking too much of time. As you can see, the Play Store took a lot more time here. Let me install the safety net status. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys. Many people watching my video but not subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. Don't forget to like it. And safety net status, as you can see, it get passed. No need to worry regarding that. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, WhatsApp, or any other payment applications, YONO, SBI. Everything will be working fine in this particular ROM. No problem regarding that. And app suggestions, no, I don't want it. And here we go. This is Android 12.1 style. If you slide it, it automatically makes as a default wallpaper, as you can see. And widgets, you get this 12 clock widget, as you can see. Just drag it. If you want to change it further also, you can change it. As you can see, some of the presets are available. You can drag and change them. That's how the Android 12L or whatever, 12.1, sorry, not 12L. And home settings is an pixel launcher has been used. You can see here. Into the quick settings panel, this how I will uninstall this Antutu benchmark. It's simply takes head on smartphone. That's why I will remove this. Now it's fine. As you can see, you don't see any notification here. And this is the power button. You get advanced restart button. That's really good. And in the edit option, there are no plenty of options here. And there is no sync option. Some people might ask about that. And Google Photos unlimited storage is available in this ROM. That's not the problem here. And digital well-being and parental controls, as you can see, all latest Android 12.1 based. And security features, you get face unlock and fingerprint unlock. Let me show you face unlock. As you can see, recognizing face. Okay, it is taking a little bit of time. I don't know why. Okay, that's how it is. And coming to fingerprint unlock. As you can see, it's very quick enough to unlock your smartphone using the fingerprint. Fingerprint is a little bit faster compared to face unlock in this particular ROM. And display settings, you get all the basic settings. And dark theme, it isn't a actual dark, it is gray type or pinkish type. Whatever wallpaper you apply, that kind of theme is applied to this particular settings panel everywhere. Hence you won't get a pitch black condition of dark mode. That's, I really hate it. In any ROMs, if I want to go into dark mode, it should be pitch black condition only. Then I'll use it. And ambient display is given here. You can use it. Screensaver, night light, colors is fine enough. By default, it kept to adaptive. Keep it boosted or saturated. Looks a little bit popped out. That's how it is. And apps, you can change the default apps from here. As you can see, for example, if you want to use any other launcher, you can change from your phone app to Truecaller or browser to some other browser. Then you can use here. And into game settings, you get the game dashboard and do not disturb for games are given. Nothing new here. It's exactly the Pixel experience ROM, and a little bit tweaking has been done. And the kernel is Azure updated kernel. This is little bit better, I am saying. And sound and vibration, you get Me Sound Enhancer. Direct sound settings are enabled in this ROM. You can choose the headphone type and preset type here. And vibrate on connect, call, waiting and disconnect, you can enable or disable from here. Wallpapers and style, you get all the Android 12.1 latest wallpapers included in this particular ROM. And basic colors, themed icons, app grid also you can change from here. That's not the problem in this particular ROM. I hope I explained everything. Accessibility menu, which is very important. Just without using the volume toggles, actual buttons, you can toggle them. Volume, even the brightness slider, without sliding this, you can access them. That's really fine. And let's say the BGMI gameplay. And you can see here real-time FPS count. I don't know whether it is showing real or not. It's showing up to 60 FPS, but the actual game settings is up to only ultra only. It should show around 45 FPS, but I don't know how it is showing. That's how it is. That's why I don't show this kind of settings or whatever you call FPS, real-time FPS. Some are genuine, some are fake like this. I don't know. If you know, do let me know in the comment section below. And this Sanox Smooth Plus Ultra settings, let's go into boot camp. As you can see, still it's showing 59, 60 up to FPS. If it is really 60, then it is really good. That's not the problem. And regarding volume, as you can see, it's loud enough. And there's a volume panel you get here. Boot camp. And by the way, what all the games you play, do let me know in the comment section, guys. If you play BGMI or PUBG Mobile or PUBG New State, Call of Duty, Free Fire Max, whatever you want to play, let me know in the comment section below. In the Redmi Note 7 Pro, what all the Battle Royale games you are playing. Other than Battle Royale also do mention out. That's not the problem. If the majority of the people using same game, then I will include that gameplay. Little bit choppy the game is. It's like pulling the game. Little bit choppy, not comfortable. But still I make a kill. That's how the Sanox boot camp. If you kill one person, you got killed by other. Again set to same graphics, now TDM, as you can see Smooth Plus Ultra only, but again the FPS is showing over that. I mean up to 60 FPS it's showing, I don't know. The gameplay is fine enough. I don't think so it's in 60 FPS. It's choppy. But why it is showing 60, I don't know. I'll keep this side, the speaker is muting. I mean I am covering the speaker, that's why I changed the position. It's very important to listen the footsteps of the enemy. Now means you can't play the game. I'll come back and show you the charging animation in this particular ROM. How it will. This is a 10 watt charger. As you can see, this recognizing face. Okay, that's how it is. Charging speeds are also normal here, nothing great or anything like that. That's how it is. It takes 2 hours to charge completely. And that's all, guys, in this video. I hope I explained everything. That's all in this video. Yes, you can definitely use it as a daily driver. Many people are already using this, I know. Best alternative for pixel experience. If you don't like it, the pixel experience for some reason, you can flash this pixel OS. There is no pixels OS, it's stopped from long time. Then this could be replaceable for that. That's how, guys, and thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.